This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello, Meghalaya. Your story starts here.
Ubak Prestone tensang usambut Menteri Rangba beripet ya ketenat kampo yang ke sarkar jela ulang kentu ya kiwei ki badang dan bat ka sangking Atiar hinyau trap National Liberation Council HNLC bikin board ya ke Nuksa ki arngot ki badang suan pendam wat Shen ha Eastern West Khas Hills District. Uloong baki arngot ki dei ki bakwa ban bat ka lang salang bat na ka benta ka lawai jongki. Kumban syukurau bagi ni ki arngot ki bawan Plie na Bangladesh ki laong. Bagi syak pa Arab ha ki he HNLC ha katay kari. Bat kam ya ha bat ka jingtmu tray kam ka seng kum ta ki lawan Plie no. Halor ka Ïakren Īasuk ubak Prestone ulaong baka Jingkhang ka sarkar jela ka plebet ya ka HNLC ban wan kran Īasuk.
I keep saying this. I think 100 times I've already told you that the door is still open. If they want to talk, we are ready for talk. As I said to you, the door is open from our side. It is up to them whether the door is open or not, or whether the window is open or not. It is up to them to decide. If they want to contact us, we are ready. I mean, our phone is always open. See, I'm sure other members will also realize one day that the career of themselves is ending nowhere, is leading nowhere. For example, like these two boys who surrendered themselves. Why they did that? Because ultimately they realize one day that they need their career. They are only in the age of maybe below 30. So they need their career more than anything else. So ultimately they join back the mainstream. So I would appeal all other members also to kindly follow the footsteps of those two boys who recently surrendered.
Habatin, pej bahagi ki shop plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya ka shop plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la Ïakren diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki mar bam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki mar bam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya